Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today I'm surprising my employees with tickets to see the Queen, Beyonce. We're going to the Renaissance Tour in Tampa. What better way to surprise my employees than putting the tickets inside a cake?
No, you're a liar. No!
I'm the cake guy. It just makes sense. Let's get right into it. I have seen so many clips on TikTok of this concert. I didn't even expect to go. My sister wanted to go too. It was so bad. But she was like, it's so expensive. We're never going to be able to get tickets. But I've seen too many clips. I was like, I have to be there. When was the last time Beyonce performed, you know? Money will come back. Beyonce will not. Okay? So I had to get tickets, and I know they're gonna be so excited. I didn't get my mom tickets. I feel like she's gonna be a little bit mad. But honestly, she doesn't really want to go. She's a Christina Aguilera fan. Don't ask me. I love you, Christina Aguilera, if you're watching, but it's Queen Bee. Enough said. Queen Bee. Say her name with me. Beyonce. So, of course we have to make a crazy cake because it's Beyonce. And what's more Beyonce, what's more Renaissance than a cowboy hat? Yeehaw! If you didn't know, I was doing her dance moves. I've seen a lot of TikTok videos. I'm still practicing. I know the go blue. Yeah, I'll practice. Don't worry, before the Tampa show, I won't disappoint. I'll know everything. I decided to do her metallic cowboy hat. Like, I just feel like it's such a prime thing in her artwork, her album cover. It's like Beyonce. So of course we're gonna do that. So the first step to doing and making this cake is making the middle part. The middle part is the only thing that's actually cake. So I'm just gonna take my cake layers and just stack it up as I normally do, fill it with any filling you'd like, and you're gonna carve it down to be this square, rectangular shape, and then you're gonna slope down the sides. It's very simple to shape, just literally look at it and you'll be able to get it easily. Like I said, I'm so excited for this It can't come soon enough. We're going to Tampa. That's the tickets I could get best, which isn't the best. Like, who really wants to go to Tampa, Florida? But I know Beyonce's gonna be amazing. Like I said, I've seen so many clips. Dangerously in love. I'm speechless. I have to go. So once you're happy with your overall shape, you're now gonna stuff the cake with the tickets. And I just print out the tickets, and I like to always enclose the tickets, or typically you do this with money. So oftentimes I'll make money cakes and you just pull out dollars, 20s, hundreds, hopefully hundreds. So to do this, I always put the bills or whatever I'm stuffing the cake in some plastic. I like to use sandwich bags, super easy. I just cut off the sides, tape it, and then I tape all the tickets or the money together, and you're just gonna roll it up, just like the footage is shown. And then you're gonna stuff it into the cake. It's super important you make sure it's completely stuffed into the cake, and then you're gonna make sure you put a skewer through it. Now the skewer through it just helps everything stay intact and helps it easily roll through. It's a little confusing, but the footage will make sense. You just want to make sure you leave a little bit of a flap for the cake topper to go, so they can easily pull it and reveal the tickets. I'm telling you guys, they're gonna be so surprised. It's a great way to surprise people with anything. Like, even money, like pulling a top. You would never expect there to be hundreds inside a cake. Hello, what a perfect birthday cake. So once you have the overall shape, you're happy with it, you're gonna cover it in chocolate ganache. And again, I like to use chocolate ganache because it's a lot more stable than buttercream for my carved cake. So once you're happy with the overall shape, and you have it nice and frosted, you're now gonna roll out your fondant. And I'm using fondant for this just because it's an easy shape overall. And we're just gonna cover the cake as you normally would, and we're using white fondant. Now, once you have your cake covered in fondant, you're gonna wanna make all these tiny squares. The fastest way, because I'm not sitting there and like cutting out each individual square, I'm not doing all that work. I love you, Beyonce, but you're not eating this cake, I am eating this cake, and I don't need that level of detail. The fastest way to do it is just to use a ruler or something long and literally just make lines going vertical and then horizontal. Just try and make them as straight as possible. It's not the end of the world, because really we just want it super silvery and glittery, and that will come later on. So just make sure you cover the whole cake in those square grid patterns. What do I wear to this concert also? It's coming up very soon, and I feel like Beyonce would want people to wear silver. I don't know. Just what's so good about Renaissance, there's so much. You could go denim, you could go like metallics, like you could do red metallic, you could do silver metallic. The options are endless. And I have to wear something nice too, because what if I run into Beyonce? What if I run into Beyonce and I'm just wearing like basketball shorts? She's gonna disown me, she's never gonna want a photo with me, and she's gonna hate me.
She's gonna hate me.
And I can't let that happen. I can't let that happen. So if you guys have ideas on why I should wear it, let me know in the comments below. Okay, now that you have your grid pattern, we're going to work on the brim of the hat. And for the brim of the hat, I just roll out a big piece of fondant and just cut out almost like a rectangle. You're going to fold it around the base of the hat. It sounds confusing, but it's pretty easy. You just want to make sure you use the fondant and work fast so it's easily to be bent. And then you're going to do the same thing, create the grid pattern into it so everything looks cohesive and it should look like a white cowboy hat at this point. Now, my favorite part, it's also made my kitchen so messy. The amount of glitter, I would look like a disco ball after I was finished with this. You're gonna cover the whole cake in silver metallic dust. I did silver metallic dust. I also painted it a little with silver metallic dust. And then I used silver glitter. The glitter gets everywhere. It's edible glitter. Everything's edible, mind you. Don't use like actual glitter. Use everything edible so you can eat the cake. And you're literally just gonna use a big fluffy makeup brush and go crazy. You want the whole cake covered in silver, whole thing glittery. You want it to scream Beyonce, you know? And it has to be shimmery. It has to be. Once you're happy with it, it's completely covered in silver, glittery. You can see I literally look like a disco ball. It was well worth it though. Well worth it. You're now gonna want to add your cake topper onto the top of the cake and make sure it's attached to a little piece of plastic from the tickets or the money in whatever case you're using so it's easily to be pulled. And then your cake is done and it's time to surprise my employees / my family. They're gonna be so excited and honestly, I don't think they're gonna be more excited than me, but let's hope I can keep the surprise without ruining it. I hope Beyonce performs Drunk in Love. I pray. I've been dying. I've seen the clips of it in Dubai, and I just feel like she needs to do it in our Tampa show. She just has to. I'm most excited to see Dangerously in Love. That's one of my favorite Beyonce songs, and I just know she's gonna kill it. I've already seen clips on TikTok. I've pretty much seen the whole concert on TikTok. My whole TikTok For You page is Beyonce, Blue Ivy, Beyonce. It's just different angles, different clips of her concert. But I'm not complaining, but just being able to see it in person, it's gonna be crazy. If you guys went, let me know how it is in the comment section. I need your rating. I need to know, is it overhyped or is it everything? So I have a surprise for you guys. All you have to do is pull the Beyonce Renaissance topper.
First of all, I'm nervous because why would you make it about Beyonce? Like,
the queen.
Because here's the thing, now you get me excited. And if it's not what I think it is, I'm going to jump over this and fight you.
I want to see that though, so kind of.
Okay, pull it already.
Pulling.
Ah! No.
You're alive.
No!
We're going to Tampa!
We're seeing Beyonce!
How do you guys feel about getting Beyonce tickets?
A girl, so please. Because first of all, I'm not gonna lie. When he first gave us the tickets and I was looking at them, I thought he was charging me. I thought it was a bill. I thought it was a bill.
For what?
I don't know. For existing in his house, I don't know.
Ew.
But I pulled out and then I saw the Beyonce and I was like, no. And then guess what? It was Beyonce tickets. But here's the thing. Knowing Justin, I feel like this is not gonna go as according
There's
to
a
plan.
catch.
Like I don't feel like this is 100%.
Y'all gotta work harder.
That's what I'm saying. I knew it. I know that. Like I want to be like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Da da da.
No.
I'm on to you, sister.
Even if I have to pay or anything, he ain't getting the money. So I'm gonna see Beyonce regardless.
I know that's right.
I'll be in Tampa for free, seeing the queen.
You see me stressing about the movie? I'm supposed to be
John.
327 service to Orlando.
Pay attention.
I'm looking for before.
I am tired. You are covered up.
I look like a ninja.
Yada.
It looks like I'm going to go-kart.
It does.
I'll send you money.
It's Beyonce Day. We're in Tampa and we're seeing the queen.
Ow!
Let's get dressed.
I just gotta say, I picked out an outfit. I'm a stylist and can you help me?
Oh. this is our little room. We're staying in a haunted hotel.
Really haunted.
It's small. It's whatever. Look at our view. Our view's beautiful. Ignore the mess. I'll show you guys everything else. Brianna.
Like my hair.
She's getting ready. Show her your nails. Show the nails. Whoa.
I had a little silver chrome because Beyonce.
Okay. Who did it? I did it. I did it. I'm talented like that. We have them. They don't really need introductions. They're getting ready. Tamara and Kat Marie Sposato.
Ooh.
Let's get a close up of your eyes. Whoa.
Not ready yet. But
Whoa.
you know,
It's just
working
not
progress.
right.
And it's time to get dressed. Let me show you guys my outfit. So I decided to go with the all black fit, as she said, my stylist. Get out of my shop. My stylist, my sister. We have these pants from Zara. They're kind of baggy, you'll see on. And we added this little detail of the silver chain. Because you know, we gotta use silver because it's Beyonce. Beyonce Giselle nos cota. A black tank top. I got these chrome Steve Madden sneakers. I still gotta do my hair kinda, it's still kinda air drying in a sense. And I got these cool chrome sunglasses from Amazon. Tell me I ate. Let's go get dressed. And this is the final outfit. And the shoes. Time to go to the concert. Oh my god. We just got back from the show from Tampa, from Florida. I haven't had time to give you guys a review, but my god. You need to run and get tickets right now. I was depressed when the show ended. Literally, I felt sadness that she just left. The stadium was clear, she just left. The next day, I was like, a little PTSD. I was like, where is Beyonce? The concert was everything and more. It's not overhyped at all. It's like 1,000 out of 10. It's just so good, so detailed. The artwork she puts into it, the amount of details, the hard work, it all shows through in her work. And it really just makes me want to work harder in my own business. I literally have no complaints. It makes sense why she's the celebrity of celebrities. I'm speechless. You guys need to get tickets right now.
Except I didn't get the tickets, so.
Oh my god, that's my
Everybody
only
in Atlanta,
complaint.
we will fight.
That's my complaint. Why didn't she sing
Everybody
the
in
big
Los
three?
Angeles, we will fight.
Why didn't we get the big three? I wanted Drunk in Love, All Up in Your Mind, and Thick. I loved seeing Blue Ivy. She was amazing. That was amazing. I'm glad we got her. But I really wanted the big. I needed to see. I think I sound just like her. But besides the point, I needed to see that live. I can't keep on seeing TikTok videos and people bragging that they got to see that live. I needed to see that live. But it was so good. I'm thinking about it and I'm sad right now because I'm not there. I literally just watch videos on my phone all the time now and my camera roll, just clips of the concert. If you didn't go, you need to get tickets right now. It's worth every penny spent. No regrets. It was so good. I'm speechless. One day, I'll make a cake for you, Beyonce. One day. Hopefully Blue Ivy's watching right now. Hopefully you're a fan of Izzy. I'm a fan of you, Blue. I hope you're a fan of me from Izzy Cake. I know you're not. But Beyonce, hopefully one day I can make a cake for you. It will happen. And I'm gonna try to get tickets again to another show because it was just that darn good.
So Beyonce was a 10 out of 10 experience. I would say life-changing. The energy in the room, crazy. When everybody was on mute, that stadium, silence. Silence.
We're not gonna give Tampa all that because they were indeed
Ours.
fake and nasty.
I mean,
our section was silent.
I mean, yes, they did, and they also cheered a little too early. But the beginning, that was good.
When I tell ya, it's hard for me to talk about it because Beyonce was exceptional, wonderful, perfect All-American. Literally changed my life. It was amazing, and I'm so glad that I was trapped in a closet for 7 months and didn't see the sun while I was writing copy because I'm so glad that I got that.
This is the unprofessionalism I'm talking about.
That I got the opportunity. I'm so glad that I got the opportunity to see her because he was life changing. It's not okay
We'll see
because
her.
I'm seeing her right now. It's okay. It's fine.
Just watch the video, teacher.
Beyonce was so amazing. Like, I don't even, like, you can't even put in words how good it was. Like, I left there like, I never want to. I need to meet her. She's so beautiful. Like, one thing is, like, I know, like, everyone's like, oh my gosh, she's so pretty, but, like, when you see her in person, because it's Beyonce, it's like,
she's
unreal. It's like, oh my god.
Got
She
it.
got the face, she got the body, she got the talent. Like,
She's almost like Justin.
Nowhere near Justin. Actually, Justin. You can't see me. That's how low we at. Beyonce.
like, that was the stupidest thing I've ever seen.
Beyonce, I'm so sorry that a nasty,
You're
ugly
gonna have to
bitch
come
would
out
even
with no
say
apology.
something like that about you.
No,
You look like